Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 30, chapter number 7, Fractions. Here we will discuss about multiplication and division of fraction. Now students, here we will start from multiplication of fractions. So the formula of multiplication of fractions, the product of fraction equal to product of numerators upon product of denominators. So here we will multiply the both numerator, we will multiply all the denominators in the given fraction. Now example number A, find 4 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. So here we will multiply numerators 4 and 3, it gives product 4 3s are 12, and when we multiply 7 multiply by 5 the both denominators, it gives product 35. So when we multiply these both fraction number 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 5, it gives product 12 upon 35. Now the example number B, find 8 upon 27 into 15 upon 16. Here first we multiply both numerators 8 and 15. So here we write 8 multiplied by 15. Now we multiply both the denominators 27 and 16. 27 multiplied by 16 we write in the denominator, and when you multiply 8 into 15 it gives product 120, and when you multiply 27 multiplied by 16 it gives product 432, and when we divide this fraction by 24, so it's changed into simplest form 5 upon 18. 24 divide 120 in 5 times and 432 in 18 times. So when you multiply 8 upon 27 multiply by 15 upon 16, it gives product 5 upon 18. In actual practice the work is shortened as under. So here 8 upon 27 multiply by 15 upon 16. So here we divide 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16, and here divide by 3 9s are 27 and 3 5s are 15. So when you multiply 1 into 5 it gives product 1 5s are 5, and when you multiply 9 into 2 it gives product 9 2s are 18. So all over if you multiply 8 upon 27 multiply by 15 upon 16, it gives product 5 upon 18. Example number C, find 7 whole 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 whole 1 upon 3. So first we convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 7 whole 1 upon 2 convert into 15 upon 2. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 15 upon 2. Multiply 3 whole 1 upon 3 convert into 10 upon 3, because 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 upon 3. And when we multiply these both numbers it gives product 25. This 2 divide 10 5 times, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, and this 3 divide this 15 in 5 times, 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So when we multiply 7 whole 1 upon 2 into 3 whole 1 upon 3, it gives product 25. Now division of fractions. To understand division of fractions you should know what reciprocal of a fraction means. Reciprocal of fraction rule: to divide fractions multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fractions. The following steps followed are: Step 1. Write the mixed fractions as an improper fraction or a whole number as a fraction the case may be. Step 2. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Step 3. Write the product in its simplest form. Step 4. Convert into a mixed fractions if the product is an improper fraction. Now, example number A, 5 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 15. Now 5 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 15. So, we change this 4 upon 5. This 4 is a numerator here, so it's convert into denominator, and this 15 is denominator here, so it's convert into numerator. So here first we write 5 upon 12, then divide symbol change into multiplication, and this 4 upon 15 reciprocal and change into 15 upon 4. Now this 15 and this 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So now we multiply 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 4 4s are 16. And this is a improper fraction, so we divide 25 by 16 and we get mixed fraction 1 whole 9 upon 16. 16 ones are 16 plus 9, 25 and upon 16. Here I solved some examples related to multiplication of fractions. Product of fractions equal to product of numerators upon product of denominators. Here example number A, 6 upon 10 multiplied by 5 upon 12. So here if the denominator and the numerator divide by any number, so we divide the both numbers. Now 6 upon 10 multiply by 5 upon 12. So 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 2s are 12 and 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. So when you multiply 6 upon 10 multiply by 5 upon 12, it gives product 1 upon 4. Example number B, 3 upon 8 multiply by 12 upon 27. 3 upon 8 multiply by 12 upon 27. If the numerator and denominator divide by any number, so we divide the both numbers. 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27. Now 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So 1 1s are 1 and 2 3s are 6. So when we multiply 3 upon 8 multiply by 12 upon 27, it gives product 1 upon 6. Example number C, 1 whole 2 upon 7 multiply by 5 whole 5 upon 6. If you multiply these both mixed number, so first we convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Now convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9, 9 upon 7. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 35, 35 upon 6. Now if the numerator and denominator divide by any number, so we divide the both numbers. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35. So 3 5s are 15 and 1 2s are 2. So this is a improper fraction form. So we convert this improper fraction form into mixed fraction. So we divide 15 by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 5 minus 4 1 and 1 minus 1 0. So we write as 7 whole 1 upon 2. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 15 upon 2. Now here we solve division of fraction. Example number A, 7 upon 5 divide by 7 upon 5. So here we take a reciprocal of second number 7 upon 5. So 7 is numerator here, so it's changed into denominator, and this 5 denominator here it's changed into numerator. So first we take a reciprocal of 7 upon 5 second number. 7 upon 5, this divide symbol change into multiplication, and 5 is denominator here, it's changed into numerator, and this 7 is numerator here, it's changed into denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. We also write as 1. Now example number B, 8 upon 21 divide by 7 upon 3. So first we take a reciprocal of 7 upon 3. So 8 upon 21, this divide symbol change into multiplication, and numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. So 3 upon 7. So now this 3 divide 21, 3 ones are 3 and 3 7s are 21, and 8 ones are 8 and 7 7s are 49. So when we divide 8 upon 21 divided by 7 upon 3, it gives result 8 upon 49. Dear students, here I give some questions related to above discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.